Okay, so we're going to wrap up lesson 3. I know we're on page 68, but we skipped this page, so we're just going to use it for the problem of the day and the objective. So we're going to write this down on page 68. I'm going to do 2 examples of just multiplying rational numbers or decimals with positive and negative integers. And then you're going to do the 2 problems and write down the objective on page 68. So we're going to start by using our rules. So I'm not going to write them down because they're already right here on my page. Remember, our rules are if we have the same signs, we have a positive answer, and if we have different signs, my answer is negative. So these are rules that should be memorizing. Same signs positive, different signs negative. So looking at number 1, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to tell myself, what is my answer sign going to be? So I know I'm multiplying a negative 7.2, so I'm multiplying a negative times a positive 0.14. So times a positive. I have 2 different signs. Different signs tells me my answer is going to be negative. So I know my answer is going to be a negative. Now I'm going to use a calculator. You'll have access to a calculator. So I'm going to put in 7.2. I'm ignoring the sign, so really I'm just multiplying 7.2 times 0.14. So 7.2 times 0.14 equals 1.008. The next one, so I already had my negative sign, so make sure you don't forget the negative sign. And my answer is a negative 1.008. Number 2, I have 6.5 times 1.2. So I'm looking at my signs. I have a positive times a positive. Okay, they have the same sign. Both of them are positive. So my answer is going to be positive. So I can put the little positive sign, but it doesn't matter if you have the positive sign or not. So I'm just going to stick into the calculator 6.5 times 1.2. And I get my answer of positive 7.8. Okay, now your turn. You are solving 1 and 2 in the green, and you're writing down the objective also. If you slide on Nearpod to the next slide, you will have access to the calculator.